out the straight.
Hey, what's going on?
What up?
Do you mind doing me a favor, just step back a little bit while he's doing it?
I'm good.
No, you're more than welcome to film, but this is closer than you need to be. If you don't mind just going back a little bit so I don't have to watch you while he's doing his FST.
You can watch me if you want, man.
No, I need to be watching my partner.
Go ahead. I'm just here to film. That's it.
I'm just asking you to back
I'm
up.
not going to interfere at all.
This is closer
I'm out of the way. No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not. There you go.
Gabriel, will you please just back up?
No, I'm fine.
Gabriel,
what?
You need to back up so that I can help my partner.
I'm not interfering, man. What do you? What's the problem?
You need to be. I need to be watching him, not you.
1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000, 12, 1,000, 13, 1,000, 14, 1,000.
Closer than I need to be. You don't have to do these tests, by the way.
1,000.
Okay. Gabriel.
17, 1,000.
All you gotta do is breathalyzer.
Gabriel. Look, you're more than welcome to be here and film, but you can't be interacting with people we're trying.
I'm not. I can speak freely, man.
Okay.
Freedom of speech, dude.
I just need you to back up. That's it.
I'm fine. Breathalyzer's all you gotta do. That's all you're required to do.
Who are you watching? Hey, what's your name, sir?
What?
What's your name, sir?
Oh, he was just saying, Gabriel.
Is it Gabriel? Okay. I'm Officer Davidson.
What's up, man?
I don't think I've ever met you before.
Okay.
During field sobriety test, it's very important that they listen to the instructions because it's all part of the FSTs. So if you mind, you have every right to film. Do you mind just staying quiet for us while I go through this process?
Well, you know, everyone has the freedom of speech, man.
Absolutely.
They can speak freely.
Don't speak to
I'm
me.
not talking to anybody. They could, you know, all you gotta do is breathalyzer. Okay. I could say that all I want, you know.
Okay. Well, if you're gonna keep talking, I'm gonna keep asking you to back up again.
You can keep asking all you want, man.
You want him recording again?
Yeah, said he.
Here for your protection, bro.
But
All you gotta do is breathalyzer. That's it.
he's doing his own rights. He can express and do what he wants. No, it's all right. I don't care.
Okay. Sounds good. So this last step is going to
Go on.
walk into.
Sounds good.
All right.
Just let me know where we're going.
Sounds good. We're going to use this line right here.
Sounds good.
This test. Your hands going to be down to your side, just like every starting position, okay? So you can, if you want to use this line, you can, or you can imagine a straight line, okay?
Make a call, sir.
You're going to start with your right foot in front of your left, just like this, okay? On the line. Go ahead and do that right here.
Okay.
Okay? Hands down to your side.
We just don't want people calling.
Right foot heel to toe in front of your left, just like this. You see how my feet are? Yep. Okay. Alright. No, wait, hang tight. Just like that.
What's going on, everybody?
Okay?
These guys tried to tell me that I don't have the right to speak out here again.
On that straight line, okay? So, for demonstration purposes, I'm only going to do.
I let this guy know he only has to breathalyzer, but he's choosing to do the tests. I told him, Jules. Told him. What's up, Jesus Christ?
It looks something like this, but.
What's going on, everybody? Karen Cheek, how you doing?
3, heel to toe. This is going to be your 9th step. Imagine this is your 9th step. You're going to take a series of small steps from the direction you started towards the
Yeah, it's a guy, actually. Warned him. Told him all you gotta do is breathalyzer. He's still doing it.
9 steps back to the direction you started, looking down, counting out loud.
Both of these cops tried to tell me I can't talk. Both of them.
We'll explain everything to you. Just give me a second, man.
No, like I said.
Oh, they didn't say shit to her about talking to him, huh?
You want everything to go with it?
They told me don't talk to him.